If an athlete comes in presenting with abdominal pain, first you'd want to do abdominal auscultations to listen for any obstruction or any problems in the abdominal area. Bowel sounds can be heard throughout the abdomen, but normally you want to start with the right lower quadrant. So you'd want to just take a stethoscope and listen for any gurgling or clicking sounds. And those sounds are normal. Abnormal sounds would be an absence of the gurgling or clicking noise could represent an obstruction or any other type of internal injury.